If you have tried booking a gas cylinder recently and it just didn't come, then this video is for you. India is facing a real cooking gas crisis right now. Long queues, empty cylinders, restaurants shutting down, and it all traces back to one narrow strip of water, the Strait of Hormuz. On February 28, the US and Israel launched coordinated strikes on Iran, killing Supreme Leader Khamenei. Iran retaliated and its military shut down the most critical shipping lane on the planet. Tanker traffic dropped by 70% almost overnight. But why is India hit so hard? Because we import almost 60% of our LPG requirements, and 90% of those imports pass through the Strait of Hormuz. And unlike crude oil, where we do maintain stockpiling, we have almost negligible strategic reserves for LPG. Can we import from the US or Australia? Yes, but those are long haul routes, not a quick fix. But what does all of this look like on the ground? Cylinder prices have gone up, but honestly, that's almost secondary. The real problem is cylinders not arriving at all. In some rural areas, the wait time has stretched to 45 days. Restaurants are switching to induction stoves or are simply shutting down. And panic is making everything worse. Hoarding, black marketing, cylinders selling at double the official price. The government has moved fast. They have invoked the Essential Commodities Act, issued a new LPG control order, and directed the refineries to divert their entire propane and butane output towards LPG for households. The urban areas now have a mandatory 25-day gap between refills and 45 days for rural areas. Domestic production has reportedly gone up 28% in 5 days. There's also been a diplomatic win. Iran has allowed the passage of some of Indian ships through the Strait of Hormuz, but as Minister Jaishankar has made clear, there's no blanket arrangement. Every single ship movement is an individual negotiation. So we are not out of this yet. The immediate priority is getting those stranded ships home safely. But the longer term question is, how do we make sure that this does not happen again? Experts are pointing to three structural fixes. One, seriously diversify our import sources beyond the Hormuz corridor. Two, build strategic LPG reserves like we have for crude oil. And three, accelerate the expansion of piped natural gas as a domestic alternative. This crisis didn't come out of nowhere. It exposed how dependent we are on a single route for a commodity that goes directly into people's kitchens. The question now is whether we treat this as a wake-up call or wait for the next one.